am the fourth one in the line. Can you see me? Left, right, left, right. We walk silently in a line. I just got an idea. I am going to get a set of wheels to move faster. We are not noisy like other animals. Ours is a language of smells. One kind of smell says, "Follow me this way for a feast." Another smell says, "Danger! Do not go there." I love cakes and all kinds of sweets, just like you. Want to see my muscles at work? I may look very tiny to you, but I am very strong. Never mind if the door is shut. I can slip through the smallest crack. Believe it or not, hundreds of us live happily in a colony. Let us learn some new words. Small, big. Slow, fast. Short, tall. Thin, fat. Hard, soft. Noisy, quiet. Here are some words with their opposites. Can you make a sentence for each pair of opposite words? For example, an ant is small, an elephant is big. As busy as an ant is a nice way to describe someone who is very hardworking.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.